Hi, I'm Natasha, and I'm here to introduce you to Cricut Explore 5, the next generation of our most popular cutting machine. On top of the new machine features, the entire Cricut experience has been improved with best-in-class design space software and carefully curated bundles that make it easier than ever to turn ideas into meaningful, personalized items. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to take creativity to the next level, Cricut Explore 5 is designed to help you bring your ideas to life quickly and beautifully. So, what makes Cricut Explore 5 so special? We've kept the super precise cutting of the previous model, but we simplified the making experience so you can get more done in less time. The machine has also been redesigned to be more compact with a sleek, modern look. It's 30% smaller and lighter than the previous models with the same dependable performance. There are now optimized tools that are easy and safer to replace, and you can easily snap in pens as well. With Cricut Explore 5, we've improved the cut width, so with smart materials, you can cut designs up to a full 12 inches wide, making it big enough to tackle large, impressive projects, like this. It can even help you make in multiples or create a whole set, like these. The machine works with our most popular materials. There are over 100 of them, including vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, printable materials, and so much more. With the deep cutting tool, which is sold separately, it even cuts thicker materials like foam, rubber, and magnet sheets. But the machine doesn't just cut. It can write, draw, and create fold lines for cards and 3D projects, like this, and even add foiled accents to make your design shine. So, when you want to make a quick vinyl decal, personalized t-shirt, intricate paper craft, or decorations for a special occasion, Cricut Explore 5 is ready to help you bring your creative visions to life. Like all Cricut machines, Cricut Explore 5 works with our free, easy-to-use app, Design Space. Use it on your phone, tablet, or computer, and connect your machine via Bluetooth or USB. Design Space makes personalization a breeze with guided design flows, customizable templates, and easy editing tools. You can even preview your designs anytime, giving you the confidence your projects will turn out just right. The app prompts you every step of the way, and you can control the design and make process right from your device. Here's how it works. Choose a ready-to-make project, upload your own design, or create something from scratch. Pick your material, load it into the machine, and let the machine do the rest. Then put your project together, and there you have it. Something totally your own. Some of our favorite real-life projects you can make with Cricut Explore 5. Fun vinyl stickers and labels for organizing, like these ones, made by Hudson Handmade. Unique iron-on designs to create one-of-a-kind gifts, like these sweet shirts made by Elisa and her kids. Use the deep cutting tool to make printable magnets like these Christmas ones, made by Stacy. Handmade cards like this pop-up one made by Lauren, and large event signage like this cute party decor made by Haley. The best part, you can make your projects exactly the way you want them, totally one of a kind and without spending a ton or waiting for your item to ship. Cricut Explore 5 comes in a range of thoughtfully curated bundles made specifically for the Explore 5 that save you money and take the guesswork out of getting started, since each bundle includes a variety of must-have tools and materials. That means you can dive right in and start experimenting with different kinds of projects right out of the box. If you're excited by the idea of creating custom, personalized projects, and you love working with popular materials like vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, and more, you'll love what you can make with Cricut Explore 5. Check out the links below for tutorials, tips, and tons of project inspiration to get started. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting with Cricut Explore 5.